Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to revamp this IKEA chair to an accent chair with just two things. So let's get started and I'll show you what we need. We need this hammer, and this I got from my Amazon again. It's actually these pins that you use for a bulletin board. Just that the base is blunt and golden in color. You get them in silver and bronze, etc., etc. So you can just get them in whatever color you want. So let's start. So I'm just pushing the pin against the wooden part of the sofa of the chair, and I am just because it's not really going inside, so I have to push it with a hammer. When you just push it, it just gets stuck there, and you need to push it with a hammer inside to just make it really firm in there. And here we are, the chair is done and it looks so cool and so nice. Let me know in the comments, how did you like it?